How you doing, guys? It's James from Advanced. We are sat in a 2011 Audi TT. Poor old Tim is squashed up in the back of the vehicle, but it doesn't matter because all you can see is this beautiful bit of kit that we fitted today. This is the Alpine iLX-702D 7-inch display. I'm just going to make sure there's no music playing when we turn it on. Okay, so we've done a few videos. This is to continue with the iLX range, or the Alpine range of videos that we're doing. Audi TT is a little bit different to the T5, T6 videos because of how the fascia sits in the vehicle. You've got the integrated factory airbag light for the passenger side, so it's a little bit more fiddly, but we have connected this up to work with the Bose sound system. So at the back of the radio quad lock there's no speaker connections, it's all low level, and we have also fitted a shark fin antenna on the roof for improved FM and DAB, and then also made it work with the steering wheel control so I can turn it up and down like so. Usual features and functions on the iLX-702. You've got FM, you've got DAB, you've got USB, which I'll quickly show you in a minute. Most importantly, on this particular one, we have fitted a really nice, neat gloss black wedge camera. Now this car is red, but they don't do red cameras, so we've got direct access on the iLX. And we've got a little bit of light glare because we've got LED lights all the way around our workshop, so it's picking up quite a bit of brightness from there. But I have adjusted the Alpine guidelines so that when we reverse up to a wall or anything, in particular a vehicle, you will know exactly where you are and don't do any damage to the vehicle. So you can easily go out of there and you can pop the car into reverse like so, and you've got the reversing camera and the factory rear parking sensors that are audible. Okay, so you don't get any other vehicle integration with this particular vehicle. You can go through and do all your various settings up. There's no HDMI set up on this one. It's just USB, microphones fitted, and the GPS is hidden away. We do have limited steering wheel control interface and functionality, but that's things like volume up and down, answer and end a telephone call, next track, and seek radio station on the bits and pieces. So just quickly, because you've seen quite a lot of these videos before, it was just the fact that we were sat in a nice looking TT. There's not really much room to work with on these vehicles, but we wanted you to see how nice and neat we make the fascia and the radio sit, because it's as flush as it can be. So I'm going to plug in our office iPhone. Okay, so that's plugged in, and what we've done is Tim's already updated the Office iPhone to the iOS 13, which means that the got a new dash layout, a new skin, which makes it a little bit more futuristic in terms of how it features. Actually, I quite like it. I haven't done my phone yet, but I will do. And you can just go in and change how it looks a little bit on your vehicle. But again, when you've got Apple CarPlay or Android Auto, you've got things like Google Earth, which is fantastic. You've then got Spotify, you've got Waze, and all the other bits and pieces like WhatsApp. And then if you buy an Alpine, you get the Alpine app as well. So 2011 Audi TT with Bose, with the multifunction steering wheel, with the reversing camera that we fitted, and we've gone with the custom or bespoke fitting kit. Quite fiddly, but this is the reason why we get involved, and this is the reason why you come to us, because it gets done properly. We've also teamed it up with the shark fin DAB and FM antenna, and it looks the bee's knees, and this customer is going to be absolutely delighted. We're about to hand over to him because it's 5 to 5. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, and the website is www.advanced-incar.co.uk. Thanks for watching.